Take this cover off here. You may have two fasteners here. They should be 10mm bolts. Just take those out with a 10mm socket. Then grab the cover here. Just pry up there. And on the side, there's a couple grommets that hold that on. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down, slide it off. Now we want to disconnect these two hoses. You want to keep in mind where the hose goes. So the hose that is closer to the passenger side goes to this accumulator right here, goes right there, and the hose from this goes up front and goes to right here. So just use a pick. Just try to slide the hose off. And there might be a little vacuum in there. You slide that off. And also with the other one. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. And it comes right out. Now just take the solenoid, line it up in the same way it was when it came out. Put the bolt through. And snug it down. And remember, these hoses are going to cross. So this one goes to the front. And this one's going to go to the back. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Take the cover, line it in position, push it down, reinstall the fasteners that go there, and tighten them down.